What are rovers and why are they important? Think of them as our eyes, hands, and laboratories millions of miles away. Rovers, or astromobiles, are robotic vehicles designed to move across and explore the surface of other worlds, like planets, moons, or asteroids. They are the cutting edge of unmanned space exploration. A rover is an astonishing piece of engineering built to survive and operate in extremely hostile environments. They are designed as true all-terrain vehicles, with 6 articulated wheels and suspensions that allow them to traverse rocks and obstacles without flipping over. They carry a variety of crucial scientific instruments, such as stereoscopic cameras for 3D vision, spectrometers to analyze the chemical composition of rocks and soil, and robotic arms for drilling and sample collection. Due to the immense distance and the inevitable communication delay with Earth, rovers must have a high degree of autonomy. They must be able to make quick decisions, like navigating around a ditch or choosing the safest path, without waiting for an order from Houston. For power, they use everything from solar panels to advanced radioisotope thermoelectric generators. The importance of rovers lies in their ability to perform virtual field geology and collect data in places that humans cannot yet reach. Their primary goal is to search for signs of past microbial life and determine if a planet was once habitable. This is done by analyzing rocks and sediments for organic molecules and evidence of ancient water. Furthermore, the data they send back provides an unprecedented view into the geological and climatic history of other worlds, helping us understand how they formed. Rovers like Perseverance are preparing the ground for future crewed missions, testing technologies and collecting samples that will be brought back to Earth for in-depth analysis. In summary, rovers are essential tools. They are the embodiment of our curiosity, pushing the limits of what we know about the universe and searching for the fundamental answer: are we alone?